Hello friends, it's Alina, and in this video, we'll be doing a 10-minute new moon guided meditation for September 2020. This will be a centering meditation focused on anchoring to the present moment. To skip the current astrological forecast and go straight to the meditation, go to the timestamp that's on the screen now. Last week, Mars, the planet of drive and conflict, turned retrograde. Retrograde motion tends to destabilize and volatilize a planet's energies according to that planet's nature. And Mars, an already volatile planet, becomes more so in retrograde. And when it's in Aries, this volatility is especially challenging to harness or channel in a manageable direction. We must now stay conscious of our triggers and use them as sources for deeper shadow work to find more clear self-understanding. It's when we walk through life unaware of our triggers that it becomes easier for others to manipulate our emotions. Self-understanding is a powerful key to liberation, and I invite you to become more conscious and aware of where any triggers might stem from. On Thursday morning, the new moon occurs as the moon aligns with the sun in the sign of Virgo. This phase of the moon occurs at 25 degrees and 1 minute of Virgo. This new moon harmonizes very tightly with Saturn and also with Pluto. The new moon is an end of the last lunar cycle and a pause before the next. It's time to draw back our energy and attention as we recharge and restore. September has already been quite eventful, drawing our mental and bodily reserves. So this new moon is an opportunity to pause and reflect. Virgo is the sign of nature, health, and earthly fertility. So this new moon can present a time of clearing the soil of our inner world to let new growth and intentions emerge. A time of new beginnings, this new moon presents an excellent opportunity to formulate some goals regarding all things Virgo. We do well to concentrate on new ways to get our day-to-day life organized. It's a very powerful time for creating practical solutions and game plans in our jobs, health, self-care, protocol or programs, routines, and habits. In fact, I'll be releasing a new series on the channel that will be focused on journaling and planning out what we want to do for the next lunar cycle. So be sure to check the channel for that upload coming very soon. For this meditation, we will anchor ourselves to the present moment and reconnect with the abundance that's all around us. As well, before or after this meditation, as always, I recommend writing out what you're ready to manifest or draw towards you in the coming weeks, this new lunar cycle, or the year. What are your intentions moving forward? What seed would you like to plant for the present and future? This can be written out in your Aligned Life Astrology Planner's New Moon Ritual page, which is also linked in the description, or with a notepad. With that said, let's begin. Settling in to a comfortable seated or lying position, I invite you to rest your hands on your lap, facing up to feel lifted and open, or palms down to feel a little more grounded. Let's take a deep inhale through the nose and release through the mouth. Another conscious inhale through the nose. Feeling that air, fill the lungs, and release through the mouth. Settling into this meditation, it's important to remember that this is your time to relax. This is your time to reconnect with the energy all around in this moment. Continuing with the deep breaths, another inhale through the nose. And release through the mouth. Continuing on with your deep breaths, we are choosing to surrender to this moment. That's all we need to do. There are plenty of things to worry about from the past or stress about in the future. But what we are choosing to do right now is surrender and come home to this moment. That is all you need to do right now. Big inhale through the nose, feeling the air, feel the lungs. And release through the mouth. Beautiful. Another inhale. Exhaling any tension through the mouth. Let's check in with this moment. How does the weight of the body feel pressed on our seat? Are we sitting comfortably? How does the air feel on your skin? Is there a breeze? Is it comfortable? Another inhale through the nose. And release through the mouth. Let's check in with our surroundings. Do we hear anything in the distance? Maybe nearby. A part of surrendering to the moment is surrendering to everything that surrounds us in this divine moment. We are simply heightening our awareness of our environment, of our body's environment. All of it is divine, and all of it is yours. Big belly inhale, bringing the air deep into the lungs. And release. I invite you to continue these deep inhales. If you find that your mind has wandered, it's perfectly fine. It's what the mind does. Once you become aware of that new thought, all you need to do is come home to the present. Take your awareness back to how you're feeling, how the breath feels, and allow that thought to simply flow past your awareness. Another deep inhale, filling the lungs into the belly. And release. For these next few inhales, I invite you to visualize yourself inhaling the divine air, the divine moment that is pregnant with opportunity from the unknown, and release any tension, surrendering to gravity as it melts the muscles, surrendering to gravity as it allows us to release that air. Big inhale through the nose. And surrender. It's all we can do in this moment. You've done so much in your past, and you will continue to do beautiful things in your future. But right now is your time to surrender to the present. Big inhale through the nose. And release through the mouth. I invite you to continue with these deep breaths. Again, the mind wanders. It's perfectly okay. We're anchoring back to this moment through the breath. We're coming back home to how we feel in this moment. When you're ready, I invite you to gently bring your awareness back to the room. You can begin to wiggle your toes, or maybe move the neck. And when it feels right, I invite you to open your eyes. I want to thank you for holding space for yourself and your inner wisdom in this moment through this meditation. I hope you can take a moment to thank yourself as well. If you enjoyed this meditation, I want to remind you that you can come back to it whenever you want. You can come back to the present moment in all of its unlimited divinity and energy, with or without this meditation. You hold that power. If you enjoyed this meditation and made it to the end, I invite you to comment 3 yellow hearts, as it helps to tell YouTube that you enjoy videos like these. If you'd like to deepen your meditation journey with me, I invite you to check out my Law of Attraction meditation album titled Everyday Abundance. Links are in my description. And if you'd like to support what I do here on the channel, be sure to check out my PayPal links in the video description to send any offering that you feel is in alignment with my work. And while the Aligned Life astrology planners are currently sold out, the relaunch for the 2021 astrology planners with full and new moon ritual pages are right around the corner, and I'm so excited to share with you my labor of love. If you're interested in being notified as soon as those are released, check the description for more info. And with all of that said, I will leave you with my favorite quote. That is to be gentle with yourself, because life is about the journey and not the destination. Bye, friends.